This is part of the August promotional offer that they are currently doing, and many people are benefiting from it, to be honest. Okay, so I just thought I will record this video to show you the live purchase of a $10,000 worth of Somera Villa, and later on the owner of the account went ahead and purchased another 1,000 worth of Desert Villa. So altogether he made a fractional real estate purchase of 11,000 and some fractions. And then within 2 hours, it's not even up to the 12 hours that they promised they were going to give you back a matching bonus of that same amount of money that you used to purchase that property. They gave him that money. So I am going to play a short 2 minutes video showing you the live purchase when I helped him to get the purchase done. After 2 hours, the subsequent screenshots that he sent me showing the free 11,000 bonus that he got as a result of this August promotional offer, right? So sit back and listen in for just 2 minutes to see how I helped him to purchase this property. Okay, so now if you click sign contract and then sign the contract, and then click sign contract, and then scroll down and then click pay with balance. There you go. Your tokenized real estate has been purchased. $10,018. Well done. So you are going to get $10,018 in Venetian Villa as a bonus. Okay. So now if you scroll down on this page, okay, keep going, you will see your property that you have purchased. Pastor, that's it there. Can you see it there? Somera Villa, $10,018. Can you see it there?
Yeah, I see Somera Villa, yeah.
There you go.
10,000.
There you go. So if you scroll down now,
wow.
So well done, congratulations. So now, in the next 12 hours, you are going to see on top of the Somera Villa, you are going to see Venetian Villa, which is which is your bonus for the same amount. Okay. There you go, guys. So you saw that video, how he purchased that property. So now let me go to my screenshots that he sent me later on to show the bonus offer that I'm talking about, which is this 11,000, guys. This is crazy. I have never seen this kind of promo before in any platform. All right, so eEstate is making this possible for all its members. So let me quickly dive right in and share the screenshot with you. As you can see, right, this was his first purchase that you saw from the video. That was a live video, okay, when I was showing him how to purchase this Somera property. This is the $10,080 that he purchased that property for, okay. And then right here you will notice that he went ahead to purchase one more Desert Villa, right? So that Desert Villa plus the Somera Villa, that is what gave him 11,000. Now if you look at the top here, you will see the bonus. This Venetian Villa, $11,032. That is the bonus that we are talking about here, guys. So this guy has just made a very, very good investment for his account. As it's a fresh account, it has a buyer volume of 22,000 already, okay, within just 1 day that he made all these purchases. So now you will be thinking, what is happening? Why is eEstate doing this promo? Because they are helping their members. Okay, so let's take, for example, the first property that he purchased that you saw the video on, the one for $10,080 that he purchased. Let's talk about the profit that he's going to be making on a monthly basis. There you go. That is $1,333 on a floating rate profit every single month, guys. So without the bonus, this is the profit he's going to be making for the next 18 months. Now let's take a look at the desert villa. This is the desert villa that he later on purchased 1,000 on top of the 10,000 already that he's done. You will notice that he's going to be getting $111 on a monthly basis as profit, right? And then boom, this is the Venetian villa that he was given for free as part of the bonus for this August. This bonus is going to end on the 22nd of August. So if you don't hurry up now and grab just a fractional real estate of minimum $1,000, you won't get it again, right? So this is the best time for you to go and grab this. Now take a look at the profit that he's going to be making on this Venetian villa. Guys, this is crazy, right? So basically, E-Estate is giving him every single month up to $648. Up to $648. Now, I have put together 2 more slides that is calculating the total profit of each of these properties that he just purchased. For Somera Villa, for Desert Villa, and then for the Venetian Villa, which is the free property that he got as a result of the promotional offer that they are doing this month. So this is the screenshot again that I have prepared. Now, the total monthly profits from Somera Villa, Desert Villa, Venetian Villa, which is the free bonus that he got, if you total all of them, add all of them up, that is coming up to $2,092. That is what he's going to be making every single month, right? Now, remember, this is a floating rate, okay? So some days it will go up, some days it will come down, but on average, this is what is going to be getting. So now remember the disclaimer here. These are estimates, not a guarantee. So let's talk about break even now. For this guy that has managed to deposit $11,000. Now remember, the total money that he has used for this purchase is only $11,000. And then E-Estate now give him extra $11,000 as a bonus. So for only is $11,000, we are going to do that break even calculation on, right? So let's go to the next slide. So you will notice that the total investment capital that came out of this guy's pocket is only $11,000, right? So check it out. All the profit that is going to make, including the Venetian Villa, Desert Villa, and the Somera Villa that he purchased, the monthly income, as you saw previously, is $2,092. Now, if you want to calculate the break even, just multiply that by 5 months and 3 weeks, guys. 5 months and 3 weeks is going to make back his money, guys. This is a no-brainer promo, guys. So if you guys are sitting there and not taking action before 22nd of August, you are going to miss out on this kind of money. So I don't want you guys to miss out on this kind of money. And once more, this is my disclaimer. These are just estimates. There is no guarantee for anybody watching this video. Don't say Bright is giving you guarantee. I am not giving you guarantee, but E-Estate is sure to produce what you are looking at just now, because we have been in this platform for more than 12 months and they've been doing this like every single month, promotion every single month, and E-Estate is still here. Now remember, this promo is only a minimum of $1,000. This guy that deposited $11,000, he did it on his own because he can afford to do that. But if you cannot afford $11,000, $10,000, $5,000, E-Estate is saying, I am giving you the opportunity to purchase just $1,000 worth of property, any property in the back office. Log it into your account, select any property, and deposit 1,000 on that property. Purchase that property for 1,000. E-Estate is going to give you 100% matching bonus for that. Okay, so there is no maximum limit. What does that mean? It means you can purchase as many times as you can, and the more you purchase, the more bonus you are going to get. Okay, the bonus will be equivalent to the amount of money you used to purchase that property. Okay, now as I said, the bonus is given on the Venetian Villa, and it is automatically credited to your account within 2 hours, guys. This is crazy. Okay, so basically you are purchasing one property and you are getting two properties. So buy one, get one free, something like that. Okay, so this is the opportunity for you to increase your portfolio. This is the opportunity for you to increase your daily earning, as you saw from this guy's investment. Only 11,000 is now giving him $2,092 every single month, plus he got 11,000 more on top of that. So total investment here now becomes 22,000. So basically, if you put in 1,000, they will give you another 1,000 for free as a bonus, right? So guys, hurry up. This is ending on the 22nd of this month, guys, this August. So if you don't hurry up, you are going to miss out on it. So I look forward to see you guys purchasing properties of 1,000 or more in this promo that they are doing. Don't worry, you are going to get your bonus within 12 hours. So if you are watching this video for the first time and you have not registered and you wish to register, the link to do so is below this video description. If you have already registered, you have an account in E-Estate, log back into your E-Estate account, deposit 1,000 minimum, and then purchase your property. After 12 hours or within 12 hours, you are going to get credited with the equivalent of 1,000 as well, or more, depending on how much you have used. As you can see from this our members account, he made 11,000 deposit and purchased a fractional real estate for 11,000, and he got given 11,000 free bonus. Okay, so I look forward to see you guys in my team, and thank you and God bless.